On Friday, February 21st, 2025 officers responded to a residence in reference to an in-progress burglary. The caller, who advised she was a resident, observed an unknown male who also had a warrant enter the vacant residence through the window and gained access inside. Officers observed him climbing back out through the window as he began to flee. Here's what happened next.
Stay. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
I'm done.
Get on the ground.
You fucking got me. You got me, man.
I got him. Cuffs.
Got him?
Real paying attention.
You got me, man.
You're nice.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
You fucking got me. You got me, man. You got me, man. I'm homeless, man. I'm just homeless, man.
You're Saunders? Yeah.
It's all one around the message. I'm just homeless, man.
Do you have your keys?
Just homeless. You know I gotta do that to my legs, man. I'm just homeless, man. I don't got no problem, bro.
Alright, close in this way. Here, bring your knees up to your chest.
I got
Turn towards me, sit up.
I got my phone.
Where's your phone?
It's right here. It's right here, yeah. If I'm on the phone, can I just tell them I'm going to jail? That's it.
Huh?
Can I just tell them I'm going to jail? That's it. On the phone.
You can get a call later, not right now.
Yeah. Hey, Calvin, go with Sergeant.
Where's Palm Beach Police? I got this.
West Palm Beach Police! You're out, make yourself known!
There's a door over here, so I'm gonna. I got this. West Palm Beach Police! Clear.
West Palm Beach Police!
I don't know where this goes. Okay. Yep, clear.
Is it abandoned?
It's a box better.
Okay. Put her on the other side, please. And I'll get a bag for his stuff.
Huh? Here?
In yours?
I'm here for now. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. It's gonna be 15. Okay.
11-10 was fine. We're gonna have a
So I was supposed to get a motion for a withdrawal from our warrant Wednesday. I was going to court Wednesday. I just haven't been at home. So this case, that was my cousin's old house. That's my ex-cheater's old house, sir. And throughout the time when this stuff was left, I lived there. I wasn't doing nothing crazy. Now I wasn't even there last night.
Hold on, hey, breathe. Hold on. All right, listen. The things are that I'm charging you with are misdemeanors, bro.
Yes, sir, but it's the principle, sir. It's still
Okay, but listen.
charge. That's
Listen.
more stuff. I got more court than more, sir. I'm telling you, sir. I don't want to do. This is not my life, sir. This is
Hold
not my
on,
life.
hold on. What's your name? I don't even know your name.
I know, sir.
What's your name?
So
listen,
sir, I signed off the for house arrest last year. I mean, probation was 6 months and all that. I violated my house arrest last year, and because I was homeless, I was sleeping in the stairway for 3 fucking months, bro. I did the rest of my time. Got out September 3rd last year. Went to a homeless shelter for 90 days. Got out, got my place December 1st, bro. I got into it with a new girl since I was dealing with since I came home.
Okay. So I can get this over with. So I can get you out there. That way you can handle this court date thing or whatever. All right. I just need you to you need to be cooperative so I don't charge you with more stuff. All right. Right now, you got the warrant that you know about. All right. And have you ever been arrested for trespassing?
No, sir.
Okay. Hold on. Let me talk. Let me talk.
Charges, man.
Who's to say that the state attorney won't drop that if you just tell them what you just told me? Right? All right, I'm not charging you with burglary.
No, but I just hate the process, sir.
I know, but you have to go through it anyway with the warrant, dude.
Yeah,
it's the same thing.
I know, but
No, they're gonna squash. Hey, listen, they're gonna squash all those misdemeanors on the same time you go with your warrant.
No, but
You're not gonna have to keep going back to court for these different things.
I don't want my judge to be thinking like, bro, you got 2 arrested, contact with law enforcement twice a month. It's just bullshit, bro.
Yeah, but you gotta see the judge anyway for that warrant, right? To get that taken care of.
No, I know.
So what? Listen, when you tell the judge, right? Hey, listen, my cousin or who was it that used to stay there?
My cousin.
Your cousin used to stay there. I thought he was still there. All right, I saw that it was an abandoned place. I panicked. Is that what happened? I don't know.
When y'all came inside, I'm thinking I wasn't running. I wasn't running from the police. I wasn't on the running. It just so happened when they did the warrant, I was at home, and then I was scared of, you know what I mean? I contacted my PO, told me he was going to tell me when to turn myself in. I've been in contact, my lawyer, my PO, everything throughout all of it. It was just the Wednesday, yesterday, day before yesterday, they just let me know the
You see how everything's coming. Everything's making sense. Let us get this done with, so that way you can get out there, so you can get out of county as quickly as possible.
I'm gonna have a first appearance for this, and then I'm gonna have to
For the misdemeanors, they're gonna handle the warrant at the same time they handle the misdemeanors. You don't have to keep coming back. It's only gonna be one process.
No, but
the judge can be like, all right, there's trespass, blah blah blah. All right, you're 22 years old. You still have plenty of fucking life to live. All right. Let me know if you need anything though.
just make a phone call, please. That's it, sir.
If you listen, hold on. You let me talk. If you are cooperative with me the whole time until we get, I will let you make the phone call. Who are you trying to call?
I'm trying to contact my girlfriend and my mom. That's it.
I'll let you call one person. How about that? I can't do two. How about you just let your mom or your girl know, and then they can tell your mom. All right, deal? Sound good? All right.
Hello, babe.
Yeah.
Babe, I'm going in, babe. So you need, when you get off of work, you need to make the money for Uber, DoorDash, do what you're gonna do to have $2.77, like I told you when I was going to be turning myself in. I'm going to jail. I'm already. The police got my phone. I want you to go on I'm gonna call you later so I can give you contact my homeboy for me and stuff like that, to keep in touch and stuff like that for me. You feel me? But I'm going in. I'm already at the downtown station. They picked me up from the bando. You know, you dropped me off at work. You know, I was trying to chill, be gone for a couple hours until you pick me back up. They came and got me. So answer the phone, huh? I don't know. Somebody called the police. It's neither here nor there. I'm going to jail, bro. Right now my charges is resisting. Then I tried to run from them. I tried to jump out the window and run from them. So the charges is resisting
without violence.
Without violence.
It's a misdemeanor.
With trespassing. You was on the phone when it happened. You just didn't know. But yeah. So basically, like, I mean, 9 times out of 10, Lord's will, that's not gonna be nothing. I just don't want to go through the process. But court, I might have court Monday. You feel me? Because remember I told you they said the following day. I'm finna sit because it's the weekend and the court it's over until Monday. So it's either I'm out of court Monday or Wednesday. Hopefully it's Monday, but if it's Wednesday, it's Wednesday. At 8:30. I'm coming home regardless. So I'm just trying to tell you. But answer the phone. Sit. I'm gonna call you when I get there. When I get to the holding cell intake, I'm gonna be calling you with my free phone calls, bro. So answer the phone. All right. All right.
10-12.
Love you too.
2808 North Australia, 2808
Alright.
North Australia.
You got your shoes. Get your shoes on. All right. We're gonna try to get this over with.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you, bro.
Yep.
Black cans, refusing to leave, reverse report
I got no band-aids, man.
Band-aids.
Have my damn, so I feel like I fell off a dirt bike.
Well, I'm just gonna let you know if you're claiming injury, we're gonna have to go to you're gonna have to get medically. Well, then don't be bringing that up. All right. The faster we get out, the faster. All right. Turn around. It's up to you though. At the end of the day.
Like your friend. Like your...
This is a new way of getting over.
She's training right now. Alright, I just gotta.
I knew the guy who came and got me early. He was a rookie too. I already know because how he was handling me, bro. I'm so uncomfortable. So he got to be a little better, but yeah.
His charges were trespass structure or conveyance unoccupied, resist officer without violence, and direction and execution of warrant.